So I recently completed this new app that is called SendTh.at. And what you're looking at on the screen here, on the left, I have a web page, or really the web app that you can access by going to SendTh.at, send that. And then on the right over here is where I have the mobile app that is being displayed from my Android device here to my computer. And this app is really fairly simple. With SendTh.at, you can send things from here to there. And so basically, it's a way for you to send things between your devices, cross-platform. And so really the use case for me is a lot of times I want to send a link from my phone to my computer or vice versa. And so what I can do is I'll go in here on my phone and not hit receive, but hit send. And I can say, I want to send this, and hit send. And the app will give me a code that I can then go over to my computer on another device, any other SendTh.at app, type in the code, and it will return the text that I entered on the other device. And so boom, it says I want to send this. So what I thought would be cool is if I showed you top to bottom, beginning to end, how I built this completed app that you can see on the web, see on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, that you can download and use today, show you how I built this whole app with Thunkable. And if you aren't familiar with Thunkable, I will add a card and link in the description where you can learn more about Thunkable. Basically, Thunkable is a no-code platform where you can code applications with just blocks. And so we're going to get into that shortly. But what I wanted to go through now is I have this big to-do list of everything we're going to be covering over the next few videos. And what I wanted to share with you now is really, what are the key concepts you're going to learn. And so first and foremost, you're going to learn how to build a complete app inside of Thunkable, how to design a beautiful app inside of Thunkable, how to make this app responsive so it looks good across all your devices. So from a small mobile screen all the way up to a web page. We're going to go over validating the user, what the data the user entered. We're going to go over cloud variables. What is the cloud? People talk about it all the time these days. Basically, it's transferring data between devices in the web. So we're going to look at specifically cloud variables and how we can use those inside of Thunkable. That's the terminology Thunkable uses. We're going to look at something cool where you can actually use the cloud variables to interact with Firebase. And then finally, we'll go over publishing this cross-platform app. So I'll walk you through the process of getting your app ready to be published, as well as publishing to the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, and on the web. I'll walk you through that whole process. So if this is something that's interesting to you, I will go ahead and link up and show you the playlist for you to click on somewhere on this screen, and it's going to walk you through all of these videos. I'll be releasing them over the next few days. And so yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.